Hello students. In previous part we have saw mechanism of action, after that different classification systems for local anesthetics and chemistry of local anesthetics, structural features of chemical anesthetic depending upon the stability. Now in this part we are going to see the SAR of local anesthetics. So this is the general structure. We have already also discussed that it is consisting of hydrophobic, hydrophilic part which are connected by means of a linker, which is nothing but an intermediate alkyl chain. So the structure of most useful local anesthetic is consisting of such a part in its structure. So hydrophilic group is usually a tertiary amine. The hydrophobic group usually aromatic residue. Hydrophobic group is necessary for the binding of a compound to the channel sodium channel. In almost of all cases, the linkage between the aromatic group and the alkyl chain is either of the ester or amide type, and nature of the that linker is a determinant of certain pharmacological properties of this agent. Now, so this is about the So this is a structure of ester linkage in which we can able to see the aryl group is attached to carbonyl carbon, and which is further attached to amino alkyl chain by means of a X component, that is majoritarily oxygen. In case of amide linkage, that this X is nothing but a oxygen. So in aryl and carbonyl function, there is a presence of a amino group, and so there is a amide linkage. Next is the SAR of benzoic acid derivatives. So lipophilic aryl part is there, that is clinically useful compounds containing that part is directly attached to the carbonyl group and are highly lipophilic. They appear to play an important role in the binding of local anesthetic, as earlier I told. The placement of aryl group with substituents that increases the electron density of the carbonyl oxygen enhances the activity. What happens whenever there is a electron releasing substituent over this aryl group? So there is a polarization of electronic charge in this aromatic ring that will reaches to carbonyl carbon, further shared by oxygen by resonance, and so there oxygen will be electron rich, and it can be easily available for the nucleophilic attack. So comparatively, that is having less stability in case of a ester group. After that, opposite to electron releasing group, electron withdrawing groups are playing a role. It means though the activity is increased in presence of electron releasing group, but the activity is decreased in presence of a electron withdrawing group. The electron withdrawing substituents in ortho or para or at both the position lead to an increase in it is decrease in its local anesthetic property. The presence of electron withdrawing groups such as chloro, nitro or other um, cyanide type of group that will responsible for decrease in activity. Next, intermediate. In Procaine series, anesthetic property potency decreases in the following order, that is in like sulfur, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. Modifications also affect the duration of action and toxicity. In general, amides in which X is equal to nitrogen are more resistant to metabolic hydrolysis than the ester. Thioesters may cause dermatitis. We have already seen that esters are less stable than the amides. Thioesters causes the dermatitis. Placement of small alkyl groups branching around ester group, that is we can see in hexylgane and meprilgane, or the amide function also hinders the properties and hence increase in duration of action. So this is about the sour benzoic acid derivative. Next is sour of that we will cover in next lecture. Thank you.